Boys?
Aha! You're trapped! There's no escaping now, smart guy!
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Filthy animals do not belong in Rolf's shed! For the honor of Rolf's great nano, I challenge you to a duel! What the...
Huh? I ain't touching that. Over here! What's it like having buttered toast for a brain? What?
The hat of discipline. Do you live in a cave? Get off Rolf's property before Rolf gets his beating stick! Rolf wishes to be a barber.
His face!
I suppose disgracing Rolf is okay to you, Ed boy.
Bingo!
You have vandalized Rolf's face, and you have The burden of hospitality is too great for Rolf! The fairy tale that haunts Rolf has come true! Rolf has had enough of your flat noodle, Elder One! Prepare yourself for a merciless dragon! You let go of my head now! Rolf's back is cricked yet again!
Don't bust an artery, Einstein!
You make Rolf sick!
Silence? I'll give you silence!
Who's there? Who's there? Who is there?
Poppycock! Curse this monkey ritual of English words!
And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
You may kiss it if you like.
What the? Oh, right already!
Must Rolf beat some sense into that overcooked noodle that you call a head?
This ain't a cartoon!
Is that so? The moon resembles half-eaten cheese.
turned off the sun.